All right, we're going to look at page 73 and 74 in your guided workbook. So the first thing that you see on page 73 is actually a puzzle that's fairly common. You win a radio show contest and you have 1 minute to choose between either getting $10,000 or the sum of the following payouts for 30 days. So day 1 you get 1 penny, day 2 you get 2 pennies, day 3 you get 4 pennies, and that continues to double until day 30. So how much money would you get on day 5? So if you figured it out, you'd be getting, since day 4 is 8 cents, day 5 would be 16 cents. Now, you're getting 16 cents on day 5, but you also got the 8 cents and the 4 cents and the 2 cents and the 1 cent. So it would all be adding up. So how much money would you get on day 30? So this is an exponential problem. So I'm doubling it. So 2 is my factor. And it's d minus 1. So I would end up getting, on day 30, $5,368,709.12. So that's just on day 30. So what I did is I created an Excel spreadsheet to show you what would happen throughout this whole thing. So on day 1 we got a penny, on day 2 we got 2 cents, day 3 we got 4 cents. Here's day 30, and day 30 we got 5,368,000. So when I wrote my formula out for this, notice what I did is 2 raised to the year minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, I'm sorry, day minus 1, which is 3 minus 1. I had to divide by 100 because I'm talking about coins, so it's only a penny or a nickel. So that's why we divided by 100. So this tells me how much I got on day 30. So at the end of, here's my sum, at the end of 30 days, I would have gotten $10,737,418.23. So it's definitely a better deal to take the 1 penny a day, as long as you figure that out. So again, using our Excel table, we figured out that the total was $10,737,418.23. So using Excel, I wouldn't necessarily expect you to do that without an Excel spreadsheet. So a mutual fund, we're going back to what we were doing on the earlier pages. A mutual fund averages 7.2%, negative 4.3%, and negative 9.1% over 3 years. So what was the average rate of return over 3 years? So remember, we do the cubed root, we take the 3 rates, and we add them together. And remember again, I did 1 minus 0.043, and that's how I got the 0.957. And I did 1 minus 0.091, that's how I got the 0.909. I multiplied these 3 numbers together and I got 0.932546. And then remember, in your calculator, you do the 0.932546 raised to the 1/3 power, because it's 3 years, and that's how we come up with the negative 2.3% over the 3 years. Okay? All right. So the next thing, you mix equal weights of 30 kilograms each of lead at 11,340 kilograms per kilograms per meter cubed, and gold at 19,300 kilograms per milligrams cubed. What's the density of the resulting alloy? So to figure out density, we have to use this formula: mass divided by density plus mass divided by density. So the mass is 30 kilograms, and the density is 11,340. The mass of the second one is 30 kilograms, and it's 19,300. And all of this comes out to be 0.004199,068. Remember, keep your decimals. So I have a total of 60 kilograms on top, or 60 kilograms total for a mass, divided by the that I got here, and I get 14,268.03 kilograms per kilograms cubed, okay? All right, the last one here. They had a net profit. Apple had a net profit of $57 million in 2003 and $14,013 million in 2010. So what was the average change of Apple's net profit over this 7-year period? So we're going to take the new value minus the old value divided by 7, and I come up with 1,993.7 million per year. So then if I want to know what the percent of change is, I have to take the new value divided by the old value. Since it's over 7 years, I have to raise it to the cube root, to the 7th root, or 1/7 power. So I'm going to do this number divided by this number, the 14,000 divided by the 57, and I get 245. And then remember again, I'm going to do 245.8421 raised to the 1/7 power, and that's where I get 2.95. Then I'm going to subtract 1 from that, and that's where I get 1.195, which is 119.5%. Hope this helps.